Hey everyone! Before I jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you enjoy easy, delicious recipes like this. Alright, let's make a classic strawberry banana smoothie. So fresh, so simple, perfect for any time of day. First up, let's grab our ingredients. 1 ripe banana cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, ½ cup yogurt, ½ cup milk, little honey. Super basic, but trust me, it's all you need for a dreamy smoothie. Let's get started. Peel that banana and break it into chunks. If you're using frozen bananas, even better. They make the smoothie extra creamy and cold. Hull your strawberries. Pop those green tops off. Slice big strawberries in half for smoother blending. Now let's pile everything into a blender. Add the banana chunks. Toss in your strawberries. Add the ½ cup of yogurt. I'm using plain Greek yogurt. It makes it rich and tangy, but any yogurt works. Pour in the milk. Regular milk. Almond milk, oat milk, soy milk. Drizzle honey if you want it sweeter. Lid on. Start blending on low. Ramp up to high until totally smooth, about 30 to 45 seconds. Too thick? Splash in a little more milk and blend again. Tip: add a handful of ice or use all frozen fruit for frosty texture. Time for the best part. Pour it out. Grab your favorite glass and watch the pink swirl. Top with a slice of strawberry or sprinkle granola for crunch. And there you have it. A perfect strawberry banana smoothie in just a couple minutes. Fruity, creamy, just the right amount of sweetness. Great for breakfast, a snack, a quick pick-me-up. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it turned out or if you put your own spin on it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share for more easy recipes. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.